Happening everyone, it's E286 and it has been a minute since I even made a video, but I was at my local bodega today and I picked up a pile driver Colt45. Now granted, I've never had one, so I figured why not on camera. It looks delicious. I mean, I'm not really fluent with the whole fruits and this and that of malt liquor. Like the Steel Reserve, my nephew can drink out of it, no problem. And since jump, has just loved it. Personally, it's just not my favorite. But I am gonna pop open this bad boy. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been on the YTDC, any kind of video, this and that. I think I uploaded something maybe a few months back. I just want to get smashed. I'm about to get a second job here during the day, and that's positive. So, 24 fluid ounces, ladies and gentlemen, just like it says. Pile driver. Alright. Gotta keep that label out, everybody, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the whole YTDC, Shit Soils, Huffy72, Mr. Met 40 ounce, Miss Gumby 02. Like I said, it's been a while, but I remember. Shane Machiavelli. I guess even shout out to Dorf, man. Me and my friends used to joke and play around all the time, like, oh, Dorf foam, and just totally just goof around with it. So to this day, a friend of mine, every time he pours out his beer, he's like, it's Dorf foam. Gotta love it though. It's all fun and games. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. It's all this and that. Shout out to Peeve 240, Citizen Shades, the Real Steel Tits, if she's still doing her thing, Mr. Rainer, Clown Shoes. I'm going old school. See, just shout out to everybody who cares, loves drinking malt liquor, and just looks good doing it, you know what I'm saying? So this is E286, and bam. Kind of reminds me of the Mad Dog. Even though this isn't a wine, it has that like orange jubilee taste. I'm from Bradenton, Florida, where they make Tropicana, orange juice, anything, you know. Home. Pile driver. Oh man, it's good too. I've seen Scott Earnshaw on Facebook. I guess me and him are friends on Facebook. Never in the YouTube drink community ever again have I seen him. But man, cheers. Ugh. So hopefully everyone's just having a great night. Great year. It's 2017. We got out of 2016. We lost a lot of good people. George Michael. Just a lot of good people. And it kind of makes you, I'm 31 years old, so it kind of makes you sit back and realize that life is just important. You know? Always. Good vibes. And good malt liquor. $710 milliliters. I've never heard of this, ever. But I seen it right down the street from my house. I was like, I goes to get it. $3 and some change. 5.9% alcohol. I laughed like that, but a lot harder, so a lot of other people could hear. I'm gonna kill this right now. We're probably like right here. You know what I'm saying? We're at 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Cheers to everybody. Who cares? Cheers to life. Cheers to my ex-girlfriend that I lost. due to an overdose of heroin and fentanyl. To be continued on that story another time. Yes. It is Colt45, Ohio driver, ladies and gentlemen. And from eToro86 to each and every one of you that are still subscribed to me, just keep your chin up. I'm 31 years old, and in the past few years I've learned a lot about who I am as a person and about life. Sometimes life will astonish you and bring you to places you never thought that you could be. Not drunk talk, realistic talk. Have a good night. Stay positive. You wake up every morning, it's a gift. Remember that. Holla at your boy. 941 for life. Bradenton, Florida, baby. Have a good one. And until next time, bitches.